Right, so let's begin. So to start off with, I have 3 eggs. I'm going to add 1 chilli, some coriander, 1 tomato chopped, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Just going to mix this up. So in a pan, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil. Now going to add the egg mixture. So I'm just going to allow this to cook on a medium heat. I'm going to now just gently try and flip this over and then cook on the other side. Remember, now I'm going to keep it on a low heat. This is now ready. I'm going to just take this off. So here is our finished spicy omelette. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.